This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl. Half-acre lot in Double R Ranch community. Building permit completed for 1,280 square feet. Manufactured home. Public water, public sewer, and electricity installed to building site. Seller used property for RV site. Building site cleared. Wetlands delineation and mitigation design complete. Bond posted for wetlands mitigation plan. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl at 360-220-7175.